Okay, today we're going to talk about adding a bathroom to a home that's up for sale. It currently has one bathroom. The homeowner's thinking that if he adds another bathroom, it'll improve the value of his house and make it more appealing for someone to buy. It's about a 1,500 square foot home. It originally was built with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and the previous owner enclosed the carport, turning it into a family room or extra bedroom, whatever you want to call it. And the owner now has currently bought another house, and he wants to fix this one up to make it more appealing to sell. What we've done is I've met with the owner. He told me what he wants. I made a few suggestions, and then we had to apply for a building permit, which included making up drawings, telling the building department what we wanted to do, paying a fee, and then they gave us a permit to get started. And that's where we're at now. As far as the utilities go, we're going to be changing our water supply, our hot and our cold line. We're also going to be tapping into our sewer line. And we've done a little bit of gas work also. So we had to call for a blue stake, which means the city comes out and it marks on the ground where all of our utilities are. Our water coming into the house, our sewer leaving the house, any power, cable, television, all that kind of stuff is laid out on the ground so that the construction people will have a pretty good idea of where these items are. We tied into the sewer pipe alongside the driveway here, and as far as the new water lines, we tied into the existing lines and just ran them around to where we need them using copper pipe. And we'll be hooking up for a toilet, a shower, a sink, and then a washer and dryer on the other side of the new wall that we've built.